I'm not gonna say it.
Why not?
Because this lesson is all about negations.
Well, I'll say it. Welcome to Papiamentu ABC, Learning Made Easy.
I'm not Bert.
I ami nota Shannon.
Would you like to do the honors?
I would. To negate a sentence in Papiamentu, all you have to do is place no in front of the verb or the infinitive verb. For example, I'm not going. Mi no tabay. Mi no tabay. I don't feel like it. Mi no tin gana. Mi no tin gana. I'm not tired. Mi no ta kansá. Mi no ta kansá. I don't have time. Mi no tin tempu. Mi no tin tempu. I'm not hungry. Mi no tin hamber. Mi no tin hamber. I do want to point out that when you're carrying a conversation with a native speaker, we have a tendency to swallow the vowels. For example, mi no tabay is pronounced min tabay. Min tabay. Or min no tin gana will become min tin gana. Min tin gana.
But what about when you're feeling extra negative? Double negatives. In Papiamentu, a double negative stays negative. One doesn't cancel the other. Take this sentence, for example. I'm not doing anything. In Papiamentu, you would say, mi no ta hasi nada, which literally translates to, I'm not doing nothing. Mi no ta hasi nada. Or, I'm not going anywhere. Mi no tabay ningun kaminda. Literally, I'm not going nowhere. Mi no tabay ningun kaminda. And that's enough negativity for this lesson.
Thanks again for learning Papiamentu with us.
Yeah, no thanks for nothing.
No, Shannon, I don't think that's the proper use of the double negative.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry. Well, masha danki. Thank you very much.
I te outra les. See you next lesson.
And don't forget to check out our lessons on vocabulary, grammar, and other fun stuff on our channel.
E corda, subscrevui. Remember to subscribe.
Anto mi ta cara mi tanto sempre ta sa usa dicho que ta mi ta bisogno ta mi to spiertamento para hobby não. Então sabe se bom mira buriku pasa para pabou. Se su doño riba je, tu si riba su lomba bom subi'e. Para manter lá cabe bem ta su doño bom. Então se ele fica hobby bia ta spierta hobby não. Ku hobby bia se e rende e coisa vai maluco né dem vida para só tem aqui problema. Ainda que ela quita foi je. Se a bobai que nem botar, me põe a botar mesmo problema. É buriku para bentar o bom fe.
If I have to do that again.
E corda subscrevi. E corda subscrevi. E corda subscrevi. I can't do it.
Cameraman's laughing because it's so funny.